See it? Probably just a loose connection.
Easy on the hoist, bring it up slow. All right, I've got the clearance here. Keep going. Bring it back just a foot.
How's that look?
Perfect. Let's get started on this rust bucket.
Look at the rust on the block. It's worse than we thought.
Agreed. We'll use the rebuilt one over there. Okay, bring it up slowly.
Watch the fender on your side.
Clear. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the mount on the left. Got it. Looks aligned now.
Torque on the manifold is good.
Okay, I've got the harness secured. Looks ready.